everyone, this is Khaldun from Kanen Coffee. Today we're going to test this beautiful Breville Barista Espresso machine. It comes to us with was tripping every time when they turn it or they wanna pull a shot, and that was like related to broken solenoid assembly. So I just replaced it, and I suspicious maybe the outlet they use for this machine is have not enough. It's not enough the watts over there for what the machine needs, because I saw that before happening and burning this solenoid assemblies. And then also in the same time I see that there was like kind of leakage here. I don't know if I can show it. There was a signs of leak, but when I opened it, it wasn't leaking at all. But whatever, when I replace it, the machine works perfect. Here is it, it's working, and I test it. But let me just test it again and make espresso shot. I like always to test the machines with double shots. A little more. Pressure. But that's with the kind of medium roast. So with the dark roast, you're gonna have less pressure here. And on a grind setting, I just put it on 2 or 1.5, because that's old grinder. But it works perfect. Here is a shot with crema, and it's a great shot. So let's test the hot water. That works good. And the steamer, and I run the scaler through the machine. Through the system, and I flush it 2 times with 2 full tanks. There is some water in the system after I pull the hot water, so it's gonna start now. This is great. The machine functioning perfect. Not tripping, no nothing. Thank you for watching.